post-purchase email is an email that a business sends to their customers once they've purchased a product or maybe a service from them. Once your users hit that buy now button, it means they've already invested on it. Now it's your time that you nurtured them to turn them into regular customers. These emails typically include key information about the purchase, but can also have some promotional or educational materials. Now you can suggest some products that's related to the one they've bought, or maybe you can suggest some most popular products from your store in that category. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an automated workflow for a post-purchase email campaign using Mailmint. You can do that once your user orders from your WooCommerce store. So let's have a look at how you can do that. So to create the post-purchase email automation workflow on Mailmint, you need to have WooCommerce installed and activated. Also, you need to have the Mailmint Pro plugin installed and activated as well. I've already done that, and now I'm going to show you how you can create the post-purchase email automation workflow in Mailmint once a user orders from your store. All right. So first you have to go to the automations module. So once you go there, you'll click on the new automation. You can use an existing automation workflow if you want, or you can start from scratch. If you start from scratch, what you have to do is give it a title. Let's say Woo product ordered. And then you have to select a starting point. So once you do that, you can see that there's an option WooCommerce. So here you'll see many triggers here. So for this specific use case, you need to click on the product order trigger. So once you do that, you'll see three options here in the settings tab. So the first option is all products, the second option is choose product, and the third option is choose product categories. Now, if you choose the all products option, what will happen is whenever a customer comes to your store and purchases any product from your store, this automation workflow will be triggered. Now, if you select choose products, what will happen here is you can select single product or multiple specific products for when a user comes to your store and purchases only those products, this automation workflow will be triggered. Now, let's say you have three types of product here. So let's say you have a red dress, red scarf, and red sweater. You can see it, right? Red sweater. Let's say when a person comes to your store and only purchases a single red dress or a red sweater, only then this automation workflow will be triggered. Then let's go ahead, and now for the third option, what you can do is select some specific categories for your users to purchase from, and then you can run this automation workflow according to that. Let's say you're choosing a category which is clothing. All right. So if you select clothing, what will happen is whenever a person comes to your store and purchases something from this specific clothing category, then you can go ahead and run this automation workflow. You can also add some specific product recommendations among those emails that you're going to send them. All right. So I'm simply going to go ahead and let's say I'm going to select choose products. So I'm going to select t-shirt. I'm going to select t-shirt with logo. Let's say I'm going to select a hoodie. All right. So I am going to create this automation workflow for only these products. So whenever someone comes to my store, purchases a t-shirt, maybe a t-shirt with logo, or maybe a hoodie, only then my automation workflow will be triggered. So then I'm going to go ahead and add, let's say, an action. So I'm going to add them to a list, new customer. I have one. And then I'm going to go ahead and send them, let's say, an email sequence. So here it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and select a specific email sequence to be added here. So here I'm going to select the post-purchase email campaign sequence that I've created. So basically what I have done here is created a sequence from the campaigns module, and then I have added 3 emails there. The first email is thanking them for ordering from us. The second email is for nurturing them with some product recommendation that's related to the t-shirt and the hoodie that I've selected in the trigger. All right. And maybe in the third email, what you can do is ask them for a review, or maybe ask them to join your social channels. you can add whatever you want. You can create as many emails as you want for your email sequence. So simply now what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Start Workflow, and my automation will be saved and started successfully. All right. So basically, whenever someone purchases from you for a specific product, for a specific product category, or maybe for all products, you can run an automation workflow without even doing anything manually. So that's about it for today. In this video, you've seen how you can create the post-purchase email campaign using the product ordered automation in Mailman. I'll see you in my next video with a new topic. Take care.